This video examines the landmark case, FILSCAP versus Anrey, Inc., decided by the Supreme Court in August 2022. It covers essential rulings concerning music copyright and the legal definition of public performance. To understand the ruling, we must look at the context of the dispute, specifically the parties involved and the circumstances that led to this legal battle. The petitioner, FILSCAP, is a non-profit collective management organization authorized to license and collect royalties. The respondent, Anrey, Inc., operates the Sizzling Plate restaurant chain, where the conflict arose over the use of audio equipment. In 2008, investigations by FILSCAP revealed that Anrey, Inc. was playing copyrighted local and foreign music in their dining areas using audio equipment without securing the necessary performance licenses. The respondent defended their actions by arguing they were merely tuning into public radio broadcasts, that royalties were already paid by the radio stations, and that the act did not constitute a separate public performance. The case journeyed through the legal system. While the RTC and Court of Appeals initially ruled in favor of the restaurant, the Supreme Court eventually reversed these decisions, issuing an en banc ruling that held the establishment liable for copyright infringement. The core legal issue addressed by the Supreme Court was whether the act of receiving radio broadcasts in a commercial space requires a separate license from the copyright holder. The court emphasized the economic significance of copyright, stating that laws are intended to ensure creators receive the full economic value of their work. Consequently, every instance of public consumption requires authorization. Key legal doctrines were applied, including the principle of multiple performances, which treats the initial broadcast and its reception as distinct, and the recognition that background music provides indirect commercial gain. The court found that the exemptions under Section 184 of the Intellectual Property Code did not apply, as the restaurant was a for-profit entity, gained economic benefit, and the use was not for personal purposes. In the final verdict, Anrey, Inc. was ordered to pay damages and attorney's fees, establishing that businesses must secure proper licensing for any piped-in music, including radio broadcasts. This concludes our summary of the case. Thank you for watching this lecture on Philippine intellectual property law. The images used in this video are sourced from soundsuit.fm and stockcake.com as listed on this screen.